Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I'm at work today. Yesterday I was not feeling good, so I stayed home. My back was really hurting. Really hurt, even worse today, but I decided to come in anyways, and luckily I had a good day. But anyways, it went by quick. So anyways, this is what we worked on today. Me and the apprentice. So took most of the day, which is pretty sad, but just kept changing our mind on how we wanted to do this. Basically started out by cutting these all threads a little bit too short, which didn't end up being that big of a problem, but just trying to make it work. And then the box was a little bit too high, so I was trying to drop it down with all thread, and then that wasn't working. And then tried to do the bolts, and then that wasn't really working. So I got some longer bolts, which is what we ended up going with. As you can see, we got the bolts right there, four of these bolts. So we started out with these little teeny bolts right here, but then I grabbed the bigger box over here. So went from that bolt to this bolt to get some extra depth. So I think I didn't really account for putting the nut on the bolt, so cut it 1/2 inch short, but it ended up working out. So anyways, this was crazy. Luckily all of these lined up perfectly and didn't mess that up, so measured that probably like 4 or 5 times just to make sure it was perfect, and looked like it worked out just great, so I'm glad that paid off. So we did 14 wide, 1 inch, which is crazy, which is like literally no space. As you can see, these are all interlocked, so basically can't twist any of these. Had to take the screw off of the other side and then just screwed them in from this side, and then put all the screws back in. Trying to hang this was a nightmare because had to basically take all 14 of these pipes and get them all in at the same time for the most part. Kind of worked the box down, get a couple in on here, and then a couple more, and then anyways we had to have three people holding these pipes and holding the pipes at the same time, and then banging the box to get it over the holes or into the connectors. So basically we're trying to do all like 20 at once, and then finally we just screwed the top row. There's like 8 on the top. Screwed the top connectors onto the pipes, and then left the bottom ones in the box because, like I said, these are all interlocked and can't be twisted. So these had to stay on the bottom. Someone's making noise upstairs, but so this took most of the day, and then we're going to be doing this one tomorrow. So a little bit less. These are 12 pipes, and then there's going to be 6 here, 2 there, and then 2 there. So I'm starting to mark this out right here. Not sure what size they want to go with, but right now I got it at 1 3/4 inches. So we'll probably just do 9 holes there, 9 holes there, and then try to bring the other 2 in on the other sides. So eventually it'll be 11 and 11 because there's going to be 22 of them. So there's 20 for the home runs, and then like 2 lighting circuits right here, 1 there and 1 there. So anyways, we'll see how that goes tomorrow. Basically just gonna put this box right here and then run the flex through these holes and then in here, and that's gonna be above the ceiling because there's a difference. There's like a 2-inch gap between here and here. The ceiling is higher, so yeah, there'll be 10 flexes going down into each panel. So 10, 10, 10, 10. So there'd be 40 in there, and then probably a few lighting circuits as well. So anyways, live and learn. So get some good valuable experience here today, what not to do and what to do. So next time I'll account for the longer bolts just to level it out, get the box to where it should have been, but it's sitting up a touch on this side, but it's still level, so worked out. But just trying to figure out how to do it the right way, and this is what we ended up doing. Sammy bolts, all thread, strut, washer nut, and then an upside down bolt, and then that long bolt goes it goes bolt washer, and then through the strut washer and then nut. So there's nothing in between it, and it's just buckled up tight. You probably can't see it, but so that's what I did. And I guess this video is only 5 minutes. I thought it was up to like 10, but anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. And then we had to re-screw all those down. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the giveaway. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe and support me. Thanks, guys. Peace out. Alright, guys, one thing I wanted to clarify. I played the video back before uploading it, and I noticed that I said that the box was too high, but the box was actually too low, and the strut was too high. And then first we started with the small bolts, and then we actually cut a little piece of all thread trying to make our own bolts, and that wasn't working. And then that's when we went with the long bolt. But then we also had to cut a channel in between the strut because we wanted to slide the box. Once we hung the box, we wanted to slide it over the pipes. So we cut a channel so we could slide it, because if we did not, then once you hang the box, you only have like half an inch to play with. Because if you look at the strut, there's the hole here and a hole here, and then we just basically cut out the metal piece so we could slide it, if that makes sense. And anyways, that box is pretty heavy, so shout out to the apprentice for helping me out hold that up, and had to take that up and down a few times. I think that was everything I wanted to mention. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I just wanted to clarify that, and just happy it all fit up there and got her all done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you later. Alright, so I remember what I wanted to say. There was a fire sprinkler pipe basically sitting right at the same elevation as our connectors, so as we were trying to push the box up to the ceiling, the fire sprinkler pipe was too low, and basically had to tighten the fire sprinkler pipe so we could get clearance to hang the box. So we were fighting that for a while. So we ended up cutting the sheetrock a little bit just to be able to push that pipe up, because it was basically already through the wall and fire caulk. So we had to just cut that hole a little bit bigger so we could push the pipe up and get clearance for the box. So that's all I wanted to say. Alright guys, see ya.